Well, maybe the most effective budgeting the Congress does is the Military Construction and Veterans Affairs budget. For the last 3 years, I've led that subcommittee with Chet Edwards of Texas. We allocate around the world to the military installations and our veterans budget about $80 billion a year, which is 3 times the state of Tennessee's budget. The leaders of our military from all over the world, PacificCom, Southcom, even CENTCOM in Iraq and Afghanistan, come to us for their military construction needs. General Petraeus asks us every year for the specific line items. So, been involved in some real heavy budgeting on the federal government and done it very effectively. In the private sector, I was a commercial industrial real estate broker. As vice president of Charter Real Estate Corporation, we led our city. I was even named Small Business Person of the Year. You know, I think back on 1998, our city had wanted for a long time to reclaim our manufacturing base. I was a new member of Congress, and we had the 7,000-acre Volunteer Army Ammunitions Plan in Chattanooga. But it was still an active but not productive military installation, so I wrote legislation, included it in the Defense Authorization Bill, to close that site, to bracket. I got it through the House. I got Senator Thompson to carry it through the Senate. We effectively turned over through the legislation a large tract of land to the city of Chattanooga for economic development. And that's the very property that Volkswagen is under construction today, there, creating billions of dollars of investment and a lot of jobs during recession. So frankly, that's the kind of leadership that we need all across the state of Tennessee.